Hello, so the other day I got a request for how to record audio and include it on your Google Slides. So the first step you want to do, pardon my dog in the background, is you're going to go and make a new folder. So I'm going to go new folder, and then I would just do audio for slides, create. So it's right here. And so I'm going to go inside this folder. And then what you want to do is go share and then change it right here that anyone with the link can view. Done. So that way any audio MP3 files that you put into this folder will automatically make it so anyone who goes into your Google Slides can hear the audio. If you don't do this step right here, people are not going to be able to hear the sounds that you include. So I'll include the link for what I use for my audio recordings. So it's right here. It's online-voice-recorder.com. So this will record your audio. So you click this little record button. Hi, this is Miss Marcy showing you how to do a recording. And then once you are done with the recording, you push stop. And then you can listen to it by pushing play. And then you can also trim out the empty spots that you don't want there. So once you are done, you click save, and then it's going to download this MP3 onto your computer. And I'm using Google Chrome because I really actually like the browser a lot. So now I'm going to go back into my Google Drive. I'm going to take this little recording that dropped right here, drag it into this file. It's uploading. And then the step right here is right click. And then you're going to do rename so that you know what audio it is. I'll just say how to. Because what happens is they all have the same audio recording title, if that makes sense. Well, okay, let me show you one more thing. So now that I have this here, I'm going to just go into my slides so you can see the last step because I almost forgot. Okay, I'm going to just do a blank presentation and I'm going to change the layout to just blank. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go insert audio, and then it will show all your MP3s right here, and it usually lists them in order of how you uploaded them. So the most recent will be right here. So I'm going to click here, click select, and now my audio is right here. So once you have your audio in here, there's two things you can do. You can have it on click or have it do automatically so that as soon as the slide loads, it will just automatically play. So say for instance you wanted to put your audio on top of a Bitmoji, right? So this is just doing a little extra step. So here's my Bitmoji Chrome extension. So I'll just use this one. You can take it, resize it so that it covers, I'm going to bring it forward. Hold on. I'm going to send backwards so you can see where this little guy is. Okay, but you're like, what am I supposed to do with this giant thing on top of my Bitmoji? So you just want to resize it, reposition so that it's on top of your Bitmoji so that when they click on it, it will play the audio. So either if you do automatically, you can do hide icon when presenting, or you can do this option right here where it says adjustments, right? So right here it says transparency, and you can just drag it there. So now you can't tell that giant speaker is on top of your Bitmoji. So when you come here and then you click the Bitmoji, you can see that the audio is there, but you don't have that giant speaker. So you just click, "Hi, this is Miss Marcy showing you how to," and that's how you do it. Okay, I hope that's helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye.